Hi, this is Dia from JSS Jewellers, and today I'm showcasing very beautiful range of natural gemstones setted in silver. These are tourmalines, then this one is in emeralds. Everything comes with a certification, superb finishing, superb polishing, and it's available in like all the stones, mostly be it tanzanite, sapphires, rubies, emeralds, tourmalines, everything, and all the different kind of designs are available. If you want to make a purchase for your silver jewelry brand, you can get in touch with us, and it can also get done in gold, 9 carat, 14 carat, 18 carat, whatever you want, it can be done, as we have our in-house manufacturing. Look at the designing, look at the joints, very beautiful joints.